Hey guys, it's Nina from Worship Piano Tutorials, and I'll show you how to play the song What a Beautiful Name by Hillsong Worship from their Let There Be Light album. So the introduction is just a really simple D. And if you have a synth, you could turn that on, but for piano it'll just be D. And then you go straight into the verse, and the chords for the verse are D, G, and then you have your B minor, A, and then B minor, D, G, B minor, A. So how that's going to look like is you're playing that D for the introduction, and you go straight into the verse. Before I start, I really just want to say that I'm able to put these tutorials out there for you guys because of my awesome patrons. So if you want to become one of my patrons to support my tutorials, go ahead and click on the link above. So you go straight into the verse. You were the word at that beginning, one with God the Lord Most High. So you saw how that G going to B minor, Lord Most High, then you have that A going to B minor. Your hidden glory in creation, D going into G. Now revealed in you are Christ. And then that's pretty much the verse. So now revealed in you. So I would go into B minor on the U. Now revealed in you are Christ. And then you go into the chorus. So verse is really simple. I'm playing the inverted G and inverted D, and then most of the rest of the chords I'm playing with the regular triad. Going into the chorus, the chords are D, A, B minor, A, and then G. That kind of repeats all over again, but with the D, you can add the D over F sharp. So how that looks like is you can play it like this. I'm playing the inverted D and F sharp with my left. So you're going to see that in detail once I play it. Anyway, so going from the verse into the chorus will look like this. You are Christ. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. So you might notice that what I'm playing right now is I'm pressing on that bass kind of octave once, and then the rest of the time I'm just holding out the rhythm with my right hand. So again, oh Christ, what a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name it is. Nothing compares. So I want you to know that, to see that D, inverted D slash or over F sharp. Name it is. Nothing compares to this, A. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus. So you let out that pause. You didn't want heaven without us. So it's just that quiet little pause. It's beautiful. So again, chorus, just pressing on those inverted or regular triad chords and keeping the rhythm mostly with your right hand for now. So going into verse 2, same as verse 1, you brought heaven down. Mostly keeping rhythm with that right hand. Love was greater than separate us now. What a wonderful name it is. What a wonderful name it is. So I want you to notice that on the second chorus, I'm starting to press on the octaves a lot more. I'm adding a lot more bass. So, what a wonderful name it is. What a wonderful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a wonderful name it is. Nothing compares to this. What a wonderful name it is. The name of Jesus. What a wonderful name it is. The name of Jesus. So kind of quiet down here and get ready into the instrumental. So you see here, very simple. However, you're just inputting a lot more bass. So going into the instrumental, the chords for that are G, A, and then B minor, and then back to A. And with your right hand, you're going to be playing this melody. Going B minor. So what you're playing is the A. You could play it twice, so I'm playing doubles. A, G, G, F sharp, E. Or you could just play it once if you have good synth. So you could also choose to play it on a higher octave, because that's kind of how the original is. Anyway, so going into the instrumental and then straight into the bridge. And the instrumental chords are the ones that you're going to see in the bridge. So for example, playing. So it starts out really quiet and you get louder. Whoops. So one more time, B minor. Death could not hold you, the veil tore before you. You silenced the boast of sin and grave. The heavens are roaring the praise of your glory, for you are raised to life again, and you have no rival. So what you're doing is you started out the bridge kind of loud, right? So I started doing the bass like, hold you, it's all before you. And then once you get to bridge 2, that you have no rival, I mean, you want to go all out with the bass. If you could do octaves, do octaves. If you just do one, that's fine too. So just pressing on that a lot. So you have no rival, you have no equal, now and forever, God, you reign. Yours is the kingdom, yours is the glory, yours is the name above all names. What a powerful name it is, what a powerful name it is. So what I just did is, a lot of times when it gets kind of powerful, you could decide to do this like this fast flowy. So you, instead of going like really slow, you want to do it like, so you could decide to do that. For example, you know, yours is the kingdom, yours is the glory, yours is the name above all names. So adding that is kind of powerful if you could practice that good enough. And another thing that I like to make songs more powerful is adding the sustain. So this is an A chord and this is an A2, right? A sustain. So I just add that with one finger. I don't know if this is musically correct or not, but anyway. So kingdom, yours is the glory, yours is the name So notice that that sustained chord really adds dimension to the sound. And then after the bridge, you go straight into the chorus again and again. It's very powerful. What a powerful name it is, the name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a powerful name it is, nothing can stand against. And so you sing chorus, and then you can go back to the bridge, and really you can take this song wherever you want to go. And it's such a beautiful song, and what a beautiful name of Jesus, really, guys. Let me know what worked for you, what didn't in this tutorial. Love to hear your feedback. And again, I want to remind you that I'm able to provide these tutorials for you because of my awesome patrons. And if you want to be part of my supporters, go ahead and click on the link, and I'd really appreciate that. See you on my next video.